Hi everyone, it's your GoPro Hero 13 refusing to turn on or charge. Don't panic. In this video, we will share effective fixes to get your camera back in action. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Check the battery. Make sure you are using the Enduro battery that came with the GoPro. Non-GoPro batteries can cause performance issues, including failure to power on. Using non-official batteries may also void the warranty. Inspect battery placement. Open the camera door and remove the battery. Reinsert the battery carefully, ensuring it is seated correctly in the battery compartment. Close and lock the door securely before trying to power the camera on again. Check battery condition. If your camera has been stored for a long time, the battery might have drained completely. You may need to leave it plugged into a charger for a longer period to see if it charges. Solution 2. Charge the camera. Connect the camera to a power source using the USB-C cable that came with the GoPro. You can plug the cable into a USB charger or a computer. It is typically take about 3 hours for the battery to fully charge. The camera status light will turn off when the battery is fully charged. If the camera does not charge, verify that the status light is not flashing or behaving unexpectedly. A flashing light might indicate a charging problem. If the camera isn't charging, try using a different USB-C cable and a different charger or USB port to rule out issues with the cable or power source. Solution 3. Reset the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Press and hold the mode button on the side of the camera for 10 seconds. After holding for 10 seconds, release the button to reset the camera. The camera will turn off and then restart automatically. Here point 11 indicate mode button in the image. Solution 4. Check the SD card. Ensure the GoPro is powered off. Open the camera door and gently press the SD card to eject it from the slot. Check for any visible damage or debris on the card. Reinsert the card or try a new recommended microSD card, Class A2 V30, UHS-3 or higher if the current card appears damaged or faulty. To format the SD card, swipe down on the rear screen. Go to Preferences, Reset, Format SD card. Solution 5. Update the camera firmware. Install the GoPro Quick app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Press the mode button to turn on your GoPro. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to pair the camera with your phone. The app will automatically check for firmware updates. If available, follow the prompts to install the update. Solution 6. Test without the battery. It is optional. Open the camera door and take out the battery. Use a USB-C cable to connect the GoPro directly to a power source, USB charger or computer. Press the mode button to try turning on the camera without the battery. If the camera turns on, the issue may be with the battery and it may need replacement. Solution 7. Factory Reset GoPro Hero 13 Black. On the touchscreen, swipe down to access the dashboard. Swipe left and tap Preferences. Scroll down and tap Reset. Select Factory Reset to restore the camera to its default settings. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm and complete the reset. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.